Hello, I'm Mike Whitehurst. I'm one of the Deans for Academic Affairs here at Griffin Technical College. And today I'm going to help you get your Griffin Tech student email account activated. The first thing you need to do is go to the Griffin Tech website, and that website is www.griffintech.edu. If you need to write it down, you can copy it from here. As you can see, it's www.griffintech.edu. Once you get to the Griffin Tech website, if you'll look on your left, you'll see a list of links. And what we want to do is come down to the link that says Banner Self-Serve, and we want to select that link. The reason we go to Banner Self-Serve is so we can find out what our email account is. When this screen comes up, you want to select your first link, which says Enter Secure Area. And that secure area, when you select that, it asks for your user ID and your PIN. Your user ID is your 900 number. You can find that 900 number on a copy of your schedule, and if you cannot find it, you can actually use your social security number instead of this user ID. Once you log into Banner, though, you'll see that 900 number. You're going to need to write down that number because you will need it quite often here at Griffin Technical College. So be sure to write down your user ID. The next thing you'll need is your PIN. Your PIN is a 6-digit number and is based on your birthday. So if my birthday was January the 1st, 1975, I would type in 010175. Now once you log in the first time, it's going to make you change your password or your login to another 6-digit number. What I recommend is that you use someone who is close to you, use their birthday, so that you will not forget that login number. You'll see two options. You'll see student services and financial aid, and you'll see personal information. What we want to do is select personal information. If you look up under there, you see that email addresses are included in this information. So I select personal information, and I get a list of links, and I want to go down to that fourth link, which says View Email Addresses. So I select that, and when I do, under Student Email Address, I see that my email address is mwhiteh2@student.griffintech.edu. So I'll write that down because I'm going to need it when I log into the student email address. So now I go back to the Griffin Tech website, and again I go down that list of links till I see student email, and I select that link. When I do, it'll direct me to this site, and on this site you'll see two lines, one for your email address and one for your password. Mine already has my email address in, so I'm going to select Sign In and put in my password. Now your password, if this is the first time you're logging in, will be the word password, all in lowercase, PASSWORD. When you log in the first time, the website is going to ask you for a good bit of information. It's going to have you change your password, and this information that it collects from you will be used if you ever need your password reset or something of that nature. As you can see, I've logged in, and I've got some email over in my inbox, and then I've got a list of tabs across the top, and the third one over says Spaces. And I want to take a look at Spaces because there's a couple of features in there I'd like to explain to you. So I select Spaces, and I see under Spaces that I have Spaces Home, Your Space. Your Space is kind of a neat location. It's a place kind of like MySpace, except of course this is not MySpace. This is on Microsoft, so it's called Your Space, but it's a place where you can create an interactive website for you and your friends to communicate through. There's also a Friends tab, a Photos tab, and there's a tab for SkyDrive. Let's take a look at the SkyDrive. I select SkyDrive, and SkyDrive is a pretty neat feature. This is a location where you can load files onto the internet. You can load files that only you can see, or files that you can share with friends, or files that you want to share with everyone. Um, if you've got things that you need to access away from your computer, you can store files for yourself. If you have a group project, you can use the share files with friends, load a file out, invite the people that are working on this project with you, and that way you can all interact on this one document. You can set your friends' rights up so that they can edit, add to, and those type things, those type of rights. And you can create a real good group project without having to email that document back and forth. I hope you've been able to log into your email. If you have trouble getting into Banner and you need your password or login reset, you'll need to contact Admissions, and their information or their phone number is shown here. It's 770-228-7348, and when you get Admissions, just tell them you need your Banner login reset, and they should reset it back to your birthday. If you need assistance with your email, if this doesn't get you logged into your email and you still need assistance, you can contact me. I'm Mike Whitehurst, and my email address is mwhitehurst@griffintech.edu, and my phone number is 770-233-6170. Thank you, and I hope you have a great day.